In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image hover effects in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your images subtly animate when someone hovers over them, which adds polish and draws attention without slowing your page down. First, open GoHighLevel, head to the official website and sign in with your account. After a quick login, you'll land on your dashboard. If you need the link to the website or the app, check the description where I've placed the official sources so you're in the right place. Next, from the left-hand menu, go to Sites or Funnels and Websites. Choose the specific website or funnel where you want the hover effect. Keeping your workspace organized here helps later if you're managing multiple brands or pages. Now open the page editor. Select the exact page you want to work on and click Edit to launch the drag and drop builder. Give the editor a second to load. You'll see your layout with all the elements ready to be customized. If your image isn't on the page yet, drag an image element onto your layout. If it's already there, simply click the image to select it. A quick tip: use a properly sized and optimized image so the effect feels smooth and your page stays fast. With the image selected, look for the Advanced or Custom CSS options in the Settings panel. Different sections may be collapsed, so expand anything labeled Advanced to reveal the Custom CSS field. This is the spot where we'll apply the hover effect to just this image, keeping your changes scoped and clean. In the Custom CSS field, paste this simple effect exactly as is. Select the image hover, whilst transform scale 1.05, transition 0.3's ease. This tells the image to gently scale up on hover and return smoothly. The word selector is a placeholder GoHighLevel uses to target the current element, so you can keep it as shown. If you want to experiment later, try small tweaks like a softer scale, a bit of opacity, a faint shadow, or a slight rotation, but keep changes subtle so it stays professional. Save your changes in the editor. Look for the Save button and confirm that your edits have been applied. It's a good habit to save frequently while testing styles. Finally, preview the page or open your live page in a new tab. Hover your mouse over the image to see the effect in action. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. Remember, hover effects won't trigger on touch devices, so always test on desktop. Thanks for watching.